Hey guys, I wasn't intending on creating a video today, but I have some big, massive news that I wanted to share that I just found out, and I think it is really great for new YouTubers, new YouTube channels. So stick around and I'll let you know what it is. Hey, Alexis Aranoia here. Welcome to my channel where I help people grow their passion on YouTube and get monetized. I found out something really great this morning from Sean Cannell of Think Media, and I love their work. I'm in their course, Video Ranking Academy course, and I think they're fantastic, and they always have up-to-date information on YouTube. Well, today he shared how YouTube is currently pushing small YouTube channels. So that is great for us. And I think it is really great time to jump on YouTube. If you have been thinking about doing it, if you want to grow your channel, now it's time to push content. And what he was saying in his video, which I'll link below if you want to watch the actual video, is that they are pushing interest-based content, which means that if people have searched for certain things and you match that certain thing, then they will connect you and put you on their YouTube feed. So if someone is right now looking how to get monetized on YouTube, how to make a business on YouTube, then my content could potentially be pushed to that person, even though I'm a small channel, because it is interest-based. It is focused on something, a clear niche. I think it's really important to make sure, like I've talked about in many other videos, to have good keywords, to have keywords in your description, to have a really great title, have a really great thumbnail, and in your presentation, dialogue of your video, speak those keywords as well, so the algorithm knows what your topic is and who to connect you with. And also consider this: if you're finding my channel and you're not my subscriber, I must have shown up on your feed, and I have less than 500 subscribers right now. So proof is in the pudding, but they are really pushing small channels right now. And I'll show you my screen, but I encourage you to do the same. Go on your YouTube feed and look and see how many or how often small YouTube channels show up, with 5 views, 100 views. So now is the time to get on YouTube if you've been thinking about doing so. And if you are already on YouTube, it is great news for us small YouTube channels to get going and grow. Just make sure that your topic is interest-based and it's really clear so YouTube knows what you're trying to push right now. It's also a really great time to hop on trending issues right now on YouTube and kind of ride that wave. So I just wanted to create this video really fast to encourage you to get on YouTube now, or if you're on YouTube, make sure your content is really clear so that the YouTube algorithm knows who to match you with, because they will promote small YouTube channels on the feed right now. So definitely get on this while you can.